Hey everyone, I'm Sumi. Welcome to my channel, The Tadka Project, where I show you how to make delicious vegan Indian food. Today I'm going to show you how to make a fun and quick spiced apple cider recipe. It's almost like an Indian spiced chai cider or a chider. So let's get cooking. So for my Indian spiced apple cider, here I have a small saucepan on medium heat. To this I'm adding a cup of store-bought apple cider and I'm adding a cup of water to dilute the flavor. To this I'm going to add 2 cinnamon sticks and 2 cardamom pods that I crushed to release its flavors, 3 cloves, 2 star anise. I'm also going to grate in an inch of ginger for that spiciness. I'm going to mix all of this really well. I'm also adding a couple slices of apples for that freshness, and I also find that it makes the cider a lot more hearty and thicker towards the end. I'm going to bring this to a gentle simmer and let it just stay here for around 10 minutes till all the flavors of the whole spices and ginger infuse into the apple cider. It's been 10 minutes, the cider smells spiced and delicious. Now it's just time to strain our apple cider into a mason jar or any cup of choice and enjoy. It's 4:30 p.m. here and it's already so dark outside, which makes me really sad. So I want something that feels like a warm hug, and this works perfectly for it. I'm going to do a taste test right now. That's so yummy. I love the spice from the ginger and the sweetness from the star anise and the cinnamon sticks, along with the sweetness obviously of the apple cider. It's so good. You need to make this. So let me know in the comments if you try it out, and please like and subscribe because I come out with new videos every Sunday, and I'll see you another time with another recipe. Bye.